Hey, this is Trader Travis. Welcome back. Long time no hear from. That's on me. But I have some exciting news for you. The 30-day challenge is back. Not in its original form, but starting Monday, and whatever Monday is, 2 February something, let's get the exact date. February 24th, I'm going to start up the 30-day challenge in a different format. And you can thank one of my members, Noel. He pushed me over the edge. I had been hearing some feedback on the 30-day challenge, pretty much all positive feedback, and how it inspired people, it got them to take action and things like that. And so starting Monday, I'm going to start another challenge. It's just going to be in a different format, but I will share the details about that next week. I have to stop because I have a client meeting here in just like 4 minutes here. So let me be swift. Next thing I want to point out here is the market, right? So 30-day challenge is coming back. There's 3 points of this video. Second point here is the market. Let's look at the general market here. All right, S&P, it dropped down today, midday, like, I don't know, it just had a huge drop. And so what I want to ask you is, if you monitor the market, if you're one of the people who constantly check their trades throughout the day, did this scare you? Did you freak out, get out some trades, buy some puts, and then lose money, on those puts as the market recovered? If this made you scared, then the problem is not the market. The problem is your system. Right? Your system should prepare for things like this. We can't predict the future, but we can prepare for it. I have close to 20 in my model account for the Success Academy. I have close to 20 or $30,000 worth of puts in that account. It is eating up my profit for the year. It's taking up probably 25% of my available trading capital. And that's how I prepare for events like this. I don't worry about it. Yeah, I'll take a loss on some of my bullish trades. Bullish means trades I make money when the market goes up, but that's okay. My system is there to protect me from a huge market crash. I don't worry about little drops like this. This is what I call wiggles. My system allows the stock market to get its wiggles out. This is its wiggles. Temporarily setback, doesn't hurt me. I just held steadfast. Second thing I want to say is, were you scared or fearful of the drop, or were you inspired by the opportunity? When is the best time to buy stocks? When stocks fall, right? You get a cheap price. Were you inspired by the opportunity and took action and made some trades? Or were you scared? Last thing before I go here, because again, I want to keep this video short because I have a meeting here, this is an email I recently received. And I'm going to challenge anybody else who feels this way. I get these emails every now and then. For whatever reason, I'm going to trust my intuition this time. Usually I call these nasty grams from Loserville. But I'm going to trust my intuition here because I grew up poor too. This person's in poverty, and I grew up using the bathroom in a 5-gallon paint bucket. I know what that's like. Poverty often makes you crabby, but it's no excuse to be crabby, right? But I get it. It's hard, struggling. So I will first say that if this person has a couple of $100s, there's nothing I can teach you with options. And anybody who tells you that you can start trading options with a couple of $100, you need to run the other way, because that's an inauthentic person. They're not teaching you the principles of real wealth building. And real wealth building is, nobody would tell you to start with a couple of $100. No, they would say you need to solve whatever's going on in your life that is causing you to only have a couple of $100. Get that correct first. Then focus on options. Options are the exotic, not the basics. Let's get the basics correct, and then we focus on the exotics. Second thing I'm going to challenge you, and anybody else who feels this way, if you feel like, hey, I'm just like every other guru, you got to pay me for me to teach you something, well, I'm going to challenge you on that. And that's why I created this free course. This free course is actually a $3,000 free course. I've had it appraised, and this was available before any of my paid programs. So go to this website, learnstockoptiontrading.com. I'll put it in the description box. Go through that free course. It doesn't require you to pay anything. Use the free strategy taught there. And then if you make money, then you have proven that I'm not like all other gurus, because most of the people who did pay me to join my program, guess what? They took this free course. They made so much money with the free course. They were like, man, if his free stuff is like that, I wonder what his paid stuff is like. Lastly, this next challenge does require a little bit of money, but it's a few dollars. And this person already said they have 100. So, guess what? This is not going to hurt you either. It's my Kindle book, my best-selling Kindle book, Option Trading Made Simple. It's a few bucks here. You can check the reviews to see if it's a legitimate book. But go through that. That strategy in that book is one I use. It's responsible for about a 9% return on my account last year. Well, that portion, that strategy was responsible for 9% of the 60-something% I earned on my account. So I challenge you to go through that and use that strategy. And then see if you make money. If you don't make money with that strategy in that book or in this course, then guess what? That's proven that you're the problem, not me, right? That's the challenge, because you're making the problem me. The problem is not me. It's you and how you think. So I challenge you to go through those two challenges right there, either the free course or the book, and then you follow it 100% with no excuses. If you cannot succeed with that, right, because I succeeded with it, you can check the reviews. Other people have succeeded with it. If other people have succeeded and you have not, then the problem is you, not the strategy or the guru. You take care, and I'll see you next week for my second 30-day challenge. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.